Welcome back to Island Life Live, empowering everyday residents with life-saving skills to prepare for and respond to emergencies in our communities. That is the purpose of the Community Emergency Response Team, CERT for short.
And there is a training coming up in which you can learn these skills for free.
That's right.
Yeah. Join us from the Oahu Department of Emergency Management is Molly Pierce, Public Information and Education Officer. Aloha.
Good morning.
Hi, sister. All right. Are we ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay.
Before we get the details on the actual training days, why is CERT training so important?
So CERT training, it's a really great opportunity for folks in the community to learn really essential skills, but also meet people who care about those things as well. So when you take CERT, you learn for basic first aid, basic kind of home firefighting, really all the little pieces that you might need to take care of yourself and your loved ones, right? In the immediate aftermath of something. So this is right when something happens, kind of before help can arrive. But it's also that opportunity to meet folks who really care. Sometimes preparing for emergencies can feel lonely, right? Like we think that we're the only one who really sees it. And then you meet all these people who care just as much, and then you can take a training, and then you can join a group. And I know you can speak to being in a group. We have a superstar CERT trained host today for everybody.
And I just love the fact, Molly, that this is completely free, right?
Yeah.
And all you're really doing is you're putting in your time and focus to learn, right? Now, when is the training happening?
So it is 3 Saturdays at the end of January. The first is January 17th, I believe. And it's 3 Saturdays in a row, 2 in a classroom, and then 1 that's a hands-on practical. And that one's really, it's training, but it's fun,
yes.
right? Like you get to go and put out the fire and help rescue the people. They have it in Battery Harlow at Diamond Head. So it's a really great 3 Saturdays in a row training.
Now, what are some of the things that CERT trainees will learn and experience over the 3-day training?
So it's a combination of kind of the things that I was talking about of first aid and emergency preparedness, but also it's about learning what hazards can impact you.
Yeah.
Because while we're a small island, we're really diverse, both in who lives here and what can impact us. If you live on the west side, the hazards that can impact you might be really different from the hazards that could impact you on the north shore or the windward side. And so learning a little about those really has a big impact too.
Beautiful, sister. And I think this is really important for us to know. Again, I just, in my own personal experiences, working with the CERT teams in Kaneohe and Kahalu'u, we have a very, we're very lucky that we have ways to get out of our towns.
Yeah.
You know, we have the H3, the Like, the Pali, we have Waimanalo, we have Kahuku, but not everybody is that lucky. On the west side, anything
one way in,
yes, one way in,
out.
one way out,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So I think this is really important for people to know that they can get this training for free, right? Because normally you would have to pay to do first aid or pay to get CPR trained, but this is all for free. How can our viewers register?
So you can sign up for training. The easiest way, there's a direct URL, but it's long. So just go to our website. It's honolulu.gov/DEM. And on there, you'll find information about CERT training. You'll also find information about a bunch of other trainings. Say you don't have 3 Saturdays.
Right.
That's a lot. I've got little kids. I probably don't have 3 Saturdays these days. But I've got time to go and do a CPR training, a first aid training, go to a community event.
Right.
I'm out almost every weekend talking to people. And you can find all that on our website as well. So you can dip your toe in before you want to jump all the way in the pool.
That's perfect. Thank you so much, sister, for this. This is very, very good information for our communities to know. Yeah. This is Molly Pierce, CERT training, courtesy of the Department of Emergency Management. Again, that's honolulu.gov/DEM, and then just click on Get Trained, right?
Get Trained.
Get Trained, family. All right.